Samiya, and I'm going to be making a cutie catcher. You'll just need a piece of paper and a scissors. Any type of scissors. Step 1. Fold the paper like this. Make sure it is equal. That's equal. You can do it like. But next step, cut this part. And then cut this unequalness. Now, make sure you're not doing it like this again. You'll have to take this one over here and put it all the way at the end. Now, it's gonna look like an envelope. First you take the left side, then the right side. Then take the bottom and stick it at there. Make sure no overlapping, or else it won't turn out that good. And now flip it the other side, and you should see a plus sign. Then do the same thing you did the other side, just a little different. Make sure it's at the middle. Now the top side. Now flip it over again. Now you should see this. Now do this. And if you want to come out as perfect again, you can do this. Now, pull out these things. Try your best not to rip it. Yes. And anyway, if you do rip it, it's not a big deal. Did that, and you did this. You've got your cutie catcher. And it's done. You could also add your